Wait, watch this before you buy an electric motorcycle. Let's begin. Electric motorcycles, the future of transportation. Clean, green, and undeniably cool. But here's what they don't tell you. Let's break this down. Most manufacturers will tell you that owning an electric motorcycle is cheaper than gas-powered bikes. No more oil changes, no more expensive fuel, just plug it in and go. But here's the thing, they conveniently leave out one major detail. What happens when the battery, the most expensive part of the bike, starts to degrade after the warranty expires? Now, the warranty for most EV motorcycle batteries lasts between 3 to 5 years. Sounds great, right? But after that, the story changes. And here's where they're not being upfront with you. When your battery starts losing range and capacity, and it will, you'll be looking at a replacement cost anywhere from 40% to 60% of the original price of your EV motorcycle or scooter. That's right, up to 60% just to replace the battery. And guess what? You're not always getting a one-for-one swap. Exactly. And here's the kicker. Most of these companies don't make the cost of battery replacement clear up front. They'll tell you everything you want to hear about the low cost of ownership, but they conveniently forget to mention that after the warranty, you could be stuck with a bill so high, you might as well have bought a new motorcycle. And don't think for a second that you can just swap out a few cells or do a simple repair. The battery in these bikes is incredibly complex, and sometimes it's not about replacing individual cells, but it's about replacing the entire pack. The price? Skyrocketing. So let's ask the real question. Is owning an electric motorcycle really as cost-effective as they make it seem? When you add the cost of the battery replacement into the mix, the savings you thought you were getting may not be there after all. Here's the truth. The EV motorcycle industry is straight up lying about the total cost of ownership. The battery replacement cost is not a small detail. It's a huge financial burden they're leaving out of the conversation. So before you jump on the EV motorcycle bandwagon, make sure you know the full price tag, not just the upfront cost. Because if you don't, you might find yourself paying far more than you ever expected. And trust me, that's not the ride you signed up for. Don't let them pull the wool over your eyes. Stay informed, stay smart.